Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the physical connection. Plug the wired USB keyboard into the OTG adapter, then insert the adapter into your Android device. Once done, Android usually detects HID keyboards automatically because it supports the USB host profile. Make sure the phone has enough power. Keyboards draw little current, but the phone should not be in battery saver. If you see any prompt about external devices, accept it. This immediate action gets you into input mode and prepares the system for configuration. Once the keyboard is connected, go to Settings and open Languages and Input, then Physical Keyboard. You need to select the detected device and assign the correct layout so punctuation and special keys map properly. This step matters because Android treats it as an external HID device, and choosing the wrong layout will scramble symbols. If modifier keys like Alt or Control behave oddly, change layout or toggle the Android on-screen keyboard. Make sure you test in a text app to verify mappings. Finish by opening a text app and typing to confirm the keyboard works. Try shortcuts like Control+C or Alt+Tab where supported. If you want custom mappings, install a lightweight keyboard remapper that requests USB input permission and follow its steps. This fixes swapped keys. If the device isn't recognized, reboot the phone, swap the OTG adapter, or connect the keyboard through a powered USB hub because some keyboards need more current. This single troubleshooting tip, use a powered hub, solves most detection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.